The forgotten pen. That was quick. Welcome to Creative Custom Arts, where traditional craftsmanship meets modern making. I have just discovered that I have an unfinished pen. The turning is done. All I need to do is do a final sand and the polishing. Then the pen is complete. Here's a closer look. The turning is done. All the parts are here. I'm just wondering why I never finished it. Okay, let me load it into the mandrel. That was quick. Okay, now for the finishing. Time to do the polishing. A little bit of prep work to do. So the polishing method I'm going to use is super glue with an activator. So I've unpacked some blue paper towel and I do between 8 and 10 coats. Once that is done, I'm going to start the actual polishing work. And I use the Yorkshire grit and brasso for the final polish. Looking good so far. Now for a very fine sanding. And there you go, I'm very happy with that. Let me give you a closer look. And now just for the assembly, then the pen is complete. I'm very happy with that. The pen is complete. The forgotten pen has now purpose. If you enjoy pen making and projects like this, consider subscribing. And for all your pen makers out there, enjoy your pen making. And until the next time, laka laka.